Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So welcome all in this new video. In this video we will see how to install Python and then Jupyter Notebook on Windows PC. So my Windows is Windows 11. So first what you have to do, you have to open a browser and then you have to write install Python. I already have written here. You can write install Python or download Python. And you will see this official website of Python. Then click on download Python. This will automatically basically detect your operating system. So if you are not using Windows, then you can go to here and you can select your operating system. So I will select Windows. Then I will choose the version of Python which I want to download. I will download this Windows 3.10.9 version. So I will download this 3.10.9 versions Windows installer. So my PC is 64-bit, so I will download this 64-bit Windows installer. As you can see, I already have downloaded this one, so I will not click on this again. So you can download this and click in this link, so it will automatically download your basically Windows installer on your local computer. So I will open that this exe file, so which I downloaded. So this is my exe file, Python 3.10.9. I will double click and it will install here. So it is asking me these two things to click. So I will click on this add python.exe file to path. So you also add this python.exe to path, otherwise you will get lots of error related to path. So I will recommend click on this add python.exe to path and then click on install now. Then click on S. It will install Python to your Windows PC. Wait for some time. It will take a bit of time to install on your local computer. It will install all the necessary libraries, so you don't have to worry about that. It will install pip also, which we will use to install the Jupyter Notebook. So as you can see, setup was successful. Click on close. Now you open command prompt. So open command prompt, check the Python version which you just installed. So write Python space minus version, click enter. As you can see, this is my Python version. Now I will check my pip version. So I will write pip minus version. So it will show me the pip version. Now you can see my pip version is pip 22.3.1. so no issue. From here we will see how we can install Jupyter Notebook from our using pip. So we will write pip install Jupyter Notebook. That's it, guys. If you write this much code, this command on your command prompt after installing Python, then it will do all this work. So it will automatically download all those files which are necessary to install the Jupyter Notebook. As I already have installed Jupyter Notebook on my PC. So and also I have installed this Python. So it is automatically telling that requirement already satisfied for some of this program. So you don't need to worry about that. If it is not present on your PC, then it will download automatically. So as you can see, successfully installed Jupyter 1.0.0. so this is the classic version. So this way you can install Jupyter Notebook. So after installing the Jupyter Notebook, we will see how we can use Jupyter Notebook in our daily life. So I will write command prompt and I will open command prompt. Then I will write Jupyter Notebook on command prompt. So I will write Jupyter, then space, then notebook. That's it, guys. If you write Jupyter Notebook on command prompt, it will automatically open Jupyter Notebook on your default browser. I will click enter and it will open Jupyter Notebook in my default browser, that is Brave. So this is the user interface of Jupyter Notebook. Here you can see everything. So from here you can upload a new IPYNV file, or you can upload basically any folder which you want to open in Jupyter Notebook. So I don't want to upload, I want to create a new folder. So I will click on this new button and then I will click on this folder. So it will create a folder named untitled folder. I will rename this folder and I will name this my Jupyter. So my Jupyter thing. Okay, so my Jupyter things. So my Jupyter things is name of my folder, and then in this folder I will go in this folder. Then I will create a Jupyter Notebook file. So Jupyter Notebook file means PYNB file. So I will click on that IPYNB. Then it will automatically create a notebook here, and I will rename this notebook. I will name it notebook 1. So click on rename. It will automatically rename this notebook's name. So as you can see, this is cell which we call in which we run any Python code. So I will print something using Python. So I will write, hey, how are you? So please subscribe to my channel. I will click on shift enter. So if you click shift enter simultaneously, then the Jupyter Notebook's cell automatically gets run. So if you don't want to use keyboard, then you can click on this button, run button, then it will run this cell. So hey, how are you? Please subscribe to my channel. And then again, if you want to have some note on your notebook, then you definitely go to this markdown. Then you can go select markdown. Then this cell will convert to a notebook. You can basically write anything. I can use it like your notebook. So hey, I hope you are good. So this is like a notepad one. So this is how Jupyter Notebook works. So if you are someone who is in data science field, then Jupyter Notebook is very good tool for you to use. So I hope you guys have found this video useful. If this was useful, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video.